Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Volvo XC90 key battery. It's a simple process that takes just a few minutes. First, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a coin and one new CR2032 3-volt coin-style battery. Having these items ready will make the replacement smooth and easy. To begin, hold your key fob with the Volvo logo facing up and the keyring towards you. You'll see a small catch near the keyring bracket. Slide this to the side. This action allows you to slide off and lift the front shell. Next, underneath, you'll find another small catch. Slide this one to release and remove the rear shell of the key fob. Now, locate the circular battery cover. Use your small screwdriver or coin to turn it counterclockwise until it aligns with the open indicator. Then lift it off. Carefully remove the old CR2032 battery by pressing on its edge. When inserting the new 3-volt CR2032 battery, ensure the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Avoid touching the flat surfaces of the new battery with your fingers. Once the new battery is in place, refit the battery cover and turn it clockwise to the close position. Next, carefully reattach the rear shell, pressing it firmly until you hear a click, ensuring it's secure. Then, slide the front shell back into its original position until it also clicks into place. Finally, test your key fob to confirm that it locks and unlocks your vehicle properly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.